From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good Wednesday evening, State College. I'm student meteorologist Patrick Wright here with your CNET forecast. And Hurricane Michael made landfall a few hours ago as a Category 4 hurricane. It was at 155 miles an hour when it made landfall, but in the recent update, it is now 150 miles an hour, 922 millibars. So it is beginning to weaken a little bit now that it has made landfall and continues to move north-northeast at 15 miles an hour. The track for Hurricane Michael will take into Georgia by tonight, though, 100 miles an hour. So as I said, that weakening process has begun now that it's been cut off. Now the eye has been cut off from the warm waters of the Gulf. So then that will continue to a Category 2 hurricane as it moves over the Macon, Georgia area. And then this path will bring it into the Carolinas. So bringing more rain and a little bit of wind to the already soaked areas from Hurricane Florence. So this is not what they need, but it is on its way, so it is something to be prepared for. But it is going to be weakening to a tropical storm by the time it reaches South Carolina and some of those major areas where Hurricane Florence did have an impact. So by the time it reaches Thursday or tomorrow evening around 8 p.m., 50 miles an hour as it reaches Raleigh, and then by the day Friday, it should move off the coast and out into the Atlantic and become a part of history. So taking a look closer to home, we do expect another warm night tonight. So that is something to pay attention to, because I know if you don't have air conditioning, it's going to be tough. But we do have a temperature shock in store coming in by Friday, and that will lead into a very cool fall weekend ahead. So what do the temperatures look like right now around the state? 77 here in State College, 76 over in Du Bois, and this is going to be the general spread here in central PA. But then 83 up in Erie and 81 in Pittsburgh, and that is going to be the same for Philadelphia, 81 and 83 in Allentown. So it is another warm day today, and the humidity will say the same thing for the dew point, 64 degrees here in State College. So this is the amount of moisture in the air and what you feel as you walk outside. 60 degrees up in Bradford, and this is the general pattern here in central PA, and then 63 over in Franklin. And the warm spot, so the muggy spot, will be Philadelphia at 67 degrees. So it is just a little oppressive as you walk out the door for those folks in Philadelphia. Now, in terms of the future weather this evening, we do expect a chance for a few scattered showers around the state. Not as much around 9:30, but then we do have a better chance of showers here in central PA, at least by 3 a.m. So it's not going to be a perfect night, but the clouds will be hanging around, and then the showers will be moving in just in time for the front tomorrow. This will be the thing that cools us off. However, it will bring some showers, and it may be a rumble of thunder for some areas. But notice, the wind streams here, if you can probably see them better on the radar blobs here, or the rain blobs as on the map, but you notice the wind streams. They're coming up from the south ahead of this line, but then take a look over here. They're coming from the west. That is going to be the change in the wind direction and therefore the change in air mass as this front moves through. So moving this further to about 9:30 p.m. tomorrow, notice a lot stronger wind and a lot from a different direction. So we will be cooling off quite a bit by the day, Thursday evening and into Friday. So what does that look like temperature-wise? First, we have to get through tonight, 65 degrees for a low, scattered showers. And then tomorrow, only a high of 72. Now, it is still above average for this time of year, but we do have some showers and maybe a rumble of thunder hanging around in the afternoon as the front moves through. But for your 7-day forecast, take a look at this. Friday, 54 degrees. And remember our low? Our low is 65, so we are going to be about 10 degrees lower than our low temperature for tonight on Friday. So that is going to be some welcome relief for some. If you like fall, it is going to be an enjoyable time, but if you like summer, well, it is that time of year to start seeing the 70s move on out. So 51 degrees by Saturday, 55 on Sunday, so good football weather this weekend. Cool temperatures and the sunshine for the game. But then we have those temperatures continuing in the mid-50s to the beginning of next week, early next week with 59 on Monday, but the showers do move in Sunday night and last through at least Wednesday with temperatures in the mid-50s. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Patrick Wright. Make it a great day, everybody.